Hello! In this video, we're going to set up our theme to make it work flawlessly with the very popular Jetpack plugin. We will also set up and activate some of the Jetpack features. From the WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins menu. Install and activate the Jetpack plugin. Now, let's select the features that we will use in this video. We select and activate the carousel, the extra sidebar widgets, the tiled galleries, and the widget's visibility. From the Posts menu, let's select a post and create a photo gallery. Select the images and configure the gallery behavior. Insert the gallery into the post and save the post. Let's preview the post. There, we discover that we have an issue with the display. The gallery width is too short. We want the gallery to span the full width, just like the rest of the content. To fix the issue, let's manually edit the functions.php file. Add the $content_width code, which tells WordPress the available width for the content. This setting is not mandatory, but it's very useful for many plugins. Reload the page. The gallery now uses the full available width. Now it's time to add some of the cool Jetpack widgets. The first one is a gallery for the sidebar. Again, we have to select the pictures and set up the gallery behavior. Save the widget. Back to the site preview, we see that our new widget is now visible in the sidebar. Now, let's add the Twitter widget. Save the widget. On the site, we see that our Twitter widget is there and that our last tweets are visible in the sidebar.